Hey guys, how you doing? I'm here in Ontario, Canada today. Staying here for a week. I'm here in a nice Airbnb right next to a nice, lush and lovely park. Behind me, that's Victoria Park. That's my view from my new art studio. Just let me take you on a short tour of it. That's my tiny art studio work area because I'm still doing my master's studies. I still have some requirements. We have some nice photos plant here. That's the messy living room downstairs, and this is my work area. Usually there are some nice geese there, but they're somewhere around the park right now. I even painted them. Other day, and I picked up some nice maple leaves down there, pre-autumn fallen maple leaves. But today I'm actually unboxing some of the products, some of the art supplies that I bought in an art supply shop here called the Art House in Waterloo, Canada. What do we have? First off, I got these Strathmore watercolor cards. I thought it would be fun because I can paint directly on the card and then send it to loved ones. It also comes with envelopes, so I just wanted to try this card, which is quite a good size for cards. For original watercolor. And what else do I got? I've always wanted to get this blue masking tape to hold down the paper when I do my paintings. So there. And they actually have a sale on Holbein Watercolors. Actually, the colors that I used here are from Holbein. The six starter set that I have squeezed out in this portable painter. I don't think I brought yeah, these are the colors that I have. It's some warm yellow, some orangey red, and some dark scarlet red. I think that's permanent alizarin crimson, some sienna, some ultramarine blue, and viridian. And today I got, first off, this gouache. It was all on sale, everything. And for the items that were not on sale, like these two items, I still got a student discount of 10%. So I got some other colors here. I'm actually just holding my phone. It's difficult to do this with one hand. I got this nice lavender glue. What is it actually? Let's see at the back if there are some details. I can't read it so much even with my glasses. Where are the details? Oh, there it is. There are the details. Pigment name. No Okay, just the codes actually. This one is Prussian blue. I got the small tubes because I'm not so sure if I will oh, here's the light fastness, I think, details, and I'm not so sure if I will like them, so I just got the smaller tubes. And yeah, and the last one that I got is quinacridone gold. It's I hope it's not the same one that I already have. Yeah, it's what is the code for this? PY 150, so it's not the same. Okay, yeah, and maybe later I will try them on for you guys in another video. And aside from that, I also went to the farmer's market today and I got some nice goodies from an Amish market. I already tried this one because my husband brought me one the first time he went here to Waterloo. Spicy pickle. It's my favorite. It reminds me so much of the time we went to Cat's Deli in New York. The pickles there were so good in the pastrami sandwich, and this spicy pickles just bring me back there. Also got some fresh strawberries from the market, and I got these candies, maple syrup candies, and this one, first time I have ever tried this maple butter. The Lolo, the old guy who owns the kiosk in the farmer's market, made me try it a bit, and it was really good, so I thought we tried it. I think this cost $6. Oh, for the receipt for the art shop, I hear the total price only. So here are the prices of the, oh no, she didn't give me the prices of individual items. Anyway, I think these pigments cost around six Canadian dollars, and this one cost around $9 for the discounted price. It was like 25% off. And lastly, remember last time I was in the US, I bought some rocks in Utah and in Arizona. So I passed by this nice shop in the farmer's market with a very nice sales lady, and I got more colorful rocks to add to my collection. I took a video of these rocks. I don't remember their exact names, but I remember that this one is obsidian and this one is rose quartz, of course. That's simple and easy. For this one, I don't really remember. It's more purplish than it looks here in the video, and this one just looks amazing. I'll just write a name on the titles on top of the page. And that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.